Let us focus on more sums. Find position vector of midpoint M joining the points L 7 minus 6 12 and 5 4 minus 2. You have to find the position vector of the midpoint M. इसका midpoint है M. So let L bar, N bar, M bar be position vectors of L, N, M respectively. तो N bar क्या, sorry M bar क्या आएगा? L bar plus M bar, sorry L bar plus N bar divided by 2 because midpoint है. L bar क्या आएगा? 7i minus 6j plus 12k plus 5i plus 4j minus 2k upon 2. 12 upon 2 6 minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 10 upon 2 5k. This is the midpoint of midpoint M bar and position vector coordinates क्या आएंगे 6 minus 1 5. Okay. Yes. Now next question of 5. It is a word problem. Prove that the line segments joining midpoints of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral form a parallelogram. They have given a quadrilateral, and if I join their midpoints, let this be M. Sorry. Let the midpoints be M, N, R, S. If I join these midpoints, I get a parallelogram. I have to solve it by vector form. क्या करेंगे? पहला point, let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, M bar be position vectors of A, B, C, D, M, N, R, S respectively. ठीक है? तो बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला M बार क्या आएगा? A बार प्लस B बार बाय 2. N बार क्या आएगा? B बार प्लस C बार बाय 2. S बार क्या आएगा? A बार प्लस B बार बाय 2. R bar क्या आएगा? C bar plus D bar by 2. I need to prove that M, N, R, S is a parallelogram. मतलब MS should be equal to NR or MS should be parallel to NR. So I'll first find what is MN bar. MN bar किया क्या आएगा? N minus M, that is N minus N. So B plus C by 2, A minus B by 2. Correct? तो देखो ये B और ये B कैंसल, क्या बचेगा? C minus A by 2. That is Mn bar is coming as AC bar by 2. That is Mn is half of AC. That is Mn is parallel to AC. Correct? So Mn bar is parallel to AC bar and Mn is half of AC. Correct? Let us go for now RS. RS क्या आएगा? S minus R. S minus R. So that is A plus D by 2 minus C plus D by 2. D cut क्या आएगा? A bar minus C bar by 2. That is RS bar क्या आएगा? Half of AC bar. तो देखो Mn और Rs सेम आ गया. That is Mn bar is equal to Rs bar and Mn AC को पैरेलल है, Rs AC को पैरेलल है ना? This implies Rs parallel to AC, that is Mn is also parallel to Rs bar. So from these two parallel भी है, equal भी है, so I can say that Mn Rs is a parallelogram. What can I say? Mn Rs is a parallelogram. Understood? Yes. Next one, a little bit lengthy sum. D and E in triangle ABC, D divides BC, and E divides CA, in the ratio 2:3. D and E divides side BC and CA in the ratio 2:3. Find the position vector of point of intersection of AD and BE and the ratio in which this point divides. तो मुझे P बताना है, how P is dividing AD and BE. Same हमने किया था. So here again, let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar position vectors of A, B, C, D, E respectively. ठीक है. Now they are saying that D is dividing BC 2:3, E is dividing CA, CA 2:3. You have to find the intersection point P, how it divides AD and B. ठीक है. Same हमने किया है. Now say what is D bar? I'll get D bar as 2C bar plus 3B bar upon 5. E bar क्या आएगा? 3C bar plus 2A bar upon 5. ठीक है. I'll say let P divide AD in ratio m:1 and let P divides BE in the ratio n:1. तो अगर P AD को m:1 में डिवाइड कर रहा है तो मेरा P बार क्या आएगा? MD बार प्लस NA बार अपॉन n+1 है ना. और मेरा E के हिसाब से P बार क्या आएगा? इसके लिए P बार क्या आएगा? NE बार प्लस B बार अपॉन n+1. But what is D bar? 2C plus 3B upon 5. M क्या आएगा? 2C बार प्लस 3B बार अपॉन 5 प्लस A बार अपॉन n+1. इधर P बार क्या आएगा? N. What is E bar? 3C plus 2A upon 5. 3C plus 2A upon 5 plus B bar upon n+1. प्रैक्टिकली दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए. बस P बार का पोजीशन वेक्टर चेंज नहीं होगा. So I can say 2M C bar 3M B bar plus 5A bar upon 5m+1 should be equal to 3n C bar 2n A bar 5B bar upon 5 times n+1. करेक्ट. तो C का कोएफिशिएंट यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर सेम होना चाहिए. दैट इज 2m अपॉन 5m+1. ये C का कोएफिशिएंट है. उधर कितना है? 3m अपॉन 5 टाइम्स m+1. 3n अपॉन 5 टाइम्स n+1. 5 कट. देन B with B क्या आएगा? 3m अपॉन 5m+1 5 अपॉन 5 n+1. ठीक है. So this 5 cancel. Also I can have 5 upon 5 times n+1 with A. That is 2n upon 5 times n+1. Cut. Let us solve this. What we get? 2mn plus 2m 3mn plus 3n. Correct? It is 2m minus 3n is equal to mn. Yes? यह आएगा 3mn plus 3m, 5mn plus 5. Mn plus 3m. Yeah. So what did I get? 3m minus 5 is equal to 2mn. ठीक है? So I can write this as now 5n plus 5 is equal to 2mn plus 2n. Correct? That is 3n is equal to 2mn. 3n minus 5 is equal to 2m. Now we need to solve these equations. So what can I do? I can substitute the mn value over here. So 3m minus 5, 2. What is mn? 2m minus 3m. क्या मिलेगा? 3m minus 5 is equal to 4m minus 6n. So minus m plus 6n is equal to 5. Minus m plus 6n is equal to 5. Correct? Let us substitute here also. That is 3n minus 5. 2mn. क्या आएगा? 4n minus 6n. 4n minus 6n. That is 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 5. I got two equations. I'll solve them simultaneously. वो करने के लिए इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हो जाएगा minus 4n 24n 20. If previously I did something wrong, calculation mistake, let us go by some other way. I need to find m and n. Let us divide this by this. If I divide these two, I will get 3m upon m plus 1, 5 upon n plus 1, 2n upon n plus 1, 5 upon n plus 1. Cut. 5 be cut. So I am getting 3m is equal to 2n. So I got a relation between m and n. I will divide first and third. First and third we divide here. तो क्या मिलेगा? 2m upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. 2m upon 5 is equal to 3m upon 2. In short, I am getting m as 15 by 4 and therefore मेरा n आएगा 3 into 15 n will be 4. n is 15 by 4. 2 by 5 is equal to 3n by n plus 1. We calculate. 3n is equal to 2n I have got here. So this will be 3n upon 5. Okay, 3m upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 2n. And write again 3m upon m plus 1 into n plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon n plus 1 into n plus 1 upon 2n. Cut. It is 3m upon 5 upon 2n. So 3n is coming out to be 25 by 2n. Okay. So n is 15 by 4 is wrong. Okay. So what will be 2n then? 2n हो जाएगा 25 by 3m. m कितना है? 15 by 4. 5 3s are 5 5s are 2 2s are. N is equal to 10 by 9. So DE is divided by P in the ratio 10:9 and AD in the ratio 15:4. Now you know M and N, you can find the position vector of P. यहाँ पर M substitute करो, you get the answer of P bar और substitute here. यहाँ पर substitute करो M का value We'll get P bar in terms of A, B and C. Okay. A few more problems are left. Let's do that. Question number 7. Prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if and only if diagonals bisect each other. अब देखो, you have learned logic. If and only if का मतलब क्या है? दोनों true होने चाहिए या दोनों false होने चाहिए. Correct? So I'll prove both the cases. First, I will say let quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram. अगर वो parallelogram है तो diagonals must bisect. Let us see. Since it is a parallelogram, so what can I say? I can say AB bar का magnitude is equal to DC bar का magnitude. AD bar का magnitude is equal to BC bar का magnitude. I want to prove that diagonals bisect each other. Correct? To prove that diagonals bisect each other, what can I do? So I can say that AB bar is equal to DC bar, and I'll say let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, M bar be position vectors of A, B, C, D, M respectively. Now I know that AB bar is equal to DC bar. What is AB bar? D bar minus A bar. DC bar, C bar minus D bar. That is, I will get B bar plus D bar, C bar plus A bar. I will divide both of them by 2. Now say B plus D divided by 2, C plus A divided by 2. Let us say this as M bar. Let us say this as M bar. So from these two, can I say M is midpoint of BD? M bar is B plus D by 2. So M is midpoint of BD, and also M is midpoint of AC. That is, M एक point है तो दोनों का midpoint है, where BD is my one diagonal, AC is my another diagonal. M is a midpoint, therefore diagonals bisect each other. मतलब quadrilateral अगर parallelogram है तो diagonals will definitely bisect each other. ठीक है? Now converse, given diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. If the diagonals bisect each other, what can I say? C bar plus A bar upon 2 is equal to D bar plus B bar upon 2 equal to M bar. Since diagonals are bisecting, I can say that, so 2 cut हो जाएगा. That is C bar plus A bar, D bar plus B bar. क्या हो जाएगा? A bar minus B bar, D bar minus C bar. A minus B क्या आएगा? BA. D minus C क्या आएगा? CD. So I'm getting that BA and CD are equal, and BA is scalar multiple of CD. Therefore, I can say quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. ये equal भी है और parallel भी है. Correct? यहाँ से parallel है और modulus निकाला तो it will be equal. Am I right? So one pair of opposite sides equal है और parallel है. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Okay? So I have proved both the cases. So you can say that a quadrilateral is parallelogram if and only if diagonals bisect each other. Okay? Thank you.